The loyal recliner, long considered the devoted mate to humans with osteoporosis, so they can rest and protect their bones. But these humans rejected this chair. They're taking TYMLOS, leaving the chair abandoned.
TYMLOS is for adult men and postmenopausal women with osteoporosis at high risk for fracture and is proven to rebuild bone. In postmenopausal women, TYMLOS significantly reduced the risk of spine fracture. In men, TYMLOS significantly increased bone mineral density in the spine. Don't use TYMLOS if you're allergic to it. It's not for those who have or have had bone cancer, other bone diseases, or bone radiation. Tell your doctor if you experience pain in your bones or tender lumps or swelling. TYMLOS may cause a drop in blood pressure and dizziness when you change positions. Take first doses sitting or lying down. TYMLOS can increase the calcium in your blood and urine, which may cause kidney stones. Some common side effects for both men and women include dizziness, nausea, and abdominal pain.
Don't take osteoporosis sitting down. See how you can add to the bone at TYMLOS.com.